It's time to make some soup. There's a reason why I'm collecting all this stuff. You will see what it is. Where do I go? Ah, I need to get some gunpowder. Bloop. 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 Some very fine wine in here. I'll grab it. I wouldn't. If I found leaks like this in the bottom of the ship, I would not get on it. And in the cupboard, Captain Crunch cereal. I loved this stuff when I was a kid. I liked the way it chewed up the roof of your mouth. That sounds painful. Open the Captain Crunch. Crunch, 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 crunch. Great! A toy prize inside. What I love about the toy prize, for some bizarre reason, is the key to this cabinet. So you have to open it to use the key, but you can do this. Use prize, win cabinet. You can open it, and just to prove the key. This is no prize. It's a small key with a finely engraved monkey on it. No shit, Guybrush. Man, that's heavy. Filled, no doubt, with gold and jewels. Hey, look, a piece of paper. And some cinnamon sticks. I don't see anything special about it. So this is the recipe that you've got to put together. Basically, this is a good excuse to get rid of anything that use red hot fire. Ouch, that's hot. Yeah, to get rid of anything that you don't need in your inventory. You just stick it in the pot. I love it. I paid good money for this. I'll hold on to it, but then you can immediately set it on fire. Come to think of it, it's only dancing lessons. Use t-shirt with pot. Use cotton shirt with pot. Use staple remover. There's no staples to be removed. Use note. Use note. Oh, no, I don't need to look at the note. Blah, 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 blah. Use business card on cooking pot. Use, can't use the pamphlet, so I do that. Use feather pen with cooking pot. Use the book with the cooking pot. Use the book. Use cooking pot with bookmark. Can I do it that way? Yes. Okay. Use cooking pot with staple remover. Use cooking pot with note. Use cooking pot with magnet. Okay. The cheap plastic is too neat to throw away. Use ink. Use cooking pot. Use Jolly Roger. Cooking pot. Use piece of rope. I think I have enough fiber. I'll hold on to this. Use fine wine with the cooking pot. Use key in the cooking pot. Use the pot. No. Use the piece of paper. Or can I do it that way? Use cooking pot with piece of paper. Use cinnamon sticks with piece of paper. Use cereal with cooking pot. This is going to be good. Use gunpowder in cooking pot. Kaboom! Yikes. I think I'm getting dizzy. Overcome by fumes and the stench, Guybrush quickly loses consciousness. Moments later, the voodoo spell kicks in, turning the ship to an unknown heading, and off on its mysterious voyage. Days pass. I feel awful. And Monkey Island. Holy monkey bladders! It's Monkey Island, TM. Use a piece of rope in the cannon. I need to go and get some more gunpowder. I'll take some more. 3 guesses as to why we've got another pot. Use gunpowder and the cannon nozzle. Use the fire, flaming mass with the fuse. Use pot. Boom! Part 3 under Monkey Island. That didn't work. That's my monkey impression. That was terrible. Hi, I'm Herman Toothrat. Don't bother to say hello. I've only been waiting 20 years to talk to somebody civilized. I don't mind. Fine. But you might want to think about putting out that fire. Someone could be hurt. Okay, let's get the banana nana nana nana. Got towering rock. I still got my rope? No. Let's go to the beach. Oh, there's these notes everywhere you have to pick up. It's printed on letterhead. To the ghost pirate LeChuck. We must ask you once again to curtail your nightly activities in the sacred Monkey Head area. Decent people are trying to sleep. Kindly keep the noise level down. The Monkey Island Cannibals. P.S. We saw you taking that woman with the scarf down there. Look at that fabulous ship out there. Did you come in that? You're braver than you. Star Wars reference. Actually, it looks a lot like the ship I used to own. What do you mean braver than I look? Don't be a jerk. Bye then. The trail ends here. Pick up the rope. Pick up the spyglass. Push the cannon. Pick up the gunpowder. Pick up the cannonball. And wait for Herman! Hey, nice spyglass. Looks just like... Say, where is my spyglass? Oh, perfect. I'm gone 5 minutes and somebody comes in here and dumps gunpowder all over the floor. Naturally, I don't think you had anything to do with it. I'm sure it's just a coincidence that you came in here to prowl around right after some mysterious person dirtied up my nice clean floor. Sorry. Well, that's okay. Next time, be more careful. Are you some kind of castaway? What do I look like? The caretaker? Listen to this guy. Am I some kind of castaway? Heh. Who are you talking to? Why, the people watching, of course. Sure. My name's Toothrat. Herman Toothrat. I live here. Are you stranded? You think I stay here for my health? Whoo, boy! In come the vultures. To the Monkey Island cannibals. I don't mind you worshipping me in front of the sacred monkey idol, which doubles as my home and secret base of operations, but could you please refrain from leaving messy sacrifices on my porch? Please also do not enter the monkey head. GP LeChuck. He doesn't look good. No shit. This is an old friend of mine, the one I sailed here with. He's lost weight. Never looked better. He looks pretty bad. You never saw him when he was still alive. What happened to your pants? What pants? Excuse me, I've got pressing business to attend to. Yes, me too. Another note on this? Oh no, there's the bottle. Oh, isn't there a note in the bottle? There's a message in it. It's a memo. To Herman Toothrot. From Yama Hem Haw, attorneys at law. Suit against the cannibal tribe over the malicious tossing of your oars into the chasm. I think we have a case here. You can probably soak them for emotional distress and possibly punitive damages as well. Sounds like legalassi. I don't think I can translate the rest. What about the bottle? It's a gross old bottle. I don't want it. Boy, it sure is hot here. Oh, there's another. Oh, sure. Walk to the sun. I'll take this interesting rock, too. Herman, please return our key to the monkey head. To the cannibal. Oh, the cannibals. Now. Took me ages to work this out as well. I started, you have to blow up the dam. Pick up. Oh no, I don't want to pick up the jar. I want to pick up the rope. Pick up the rope. There's a couple more. Not really. Well, one of them's an Easter egg. The other one, not so much. But it's still funny. To the Monkey Island cannibals, please stop moving this. It's delicately balanced. Herman Toothrot. I think basically you have to push. There's two things you can do with this. One of which you have to do. The other one you don't really have to, but it's regarded as canon. You can see the ship from here. You do this. Whoops. I never get tired of this view, even if I have been looking at it for 20 years now, even if it is the only view on the island. Yes, it is a nice view. Excuse me, I've got pressing business to attend. You don't really need to talk to Herman, it's as far as I remember. Yes, me too. Okay, here's the other Easter egg, which is based on some old Sierra games. Oh no, you've really screwed up this time. Guess you'll have to start over. Hope you saved the game. Rubber tree. I like that. Mr. Toothrot, please remove this dangerous object. Lemonhead knocked a rock off onto it from the cliff and nearly into someone who's putting a swing on the banana tree on the South Beach, the cannibals. So, this is where you need to aim it at the banana tree yourself. I can see that big banana tree on the beach. That's what I wanted to do. This game goes very quiet at times. Pick up heap or rocks. I'll just put it here. Push for Sparta! Wow! Looks like it hit that big banana tree on the beach. I bet the odds against that are incredible. Right, so back to the beach. Dum, 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 dum. No, back to the beach, then to the chasm. Oh, it doesn't really matter. I'll do the chasm while I'm here now. It's spooky. I'm not going any further. It's spooky, and I'm not going any further. Dum, 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 dum. Yay, some more bananas. But I still need more. So let's go for the... I can paddle it with the oars. Dum, 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 dum. It reminds me of a water boatman. I don't know if you... what's the best? You find water boatmen, for those of you that don't know what they are, you find them on like ponds, and they look like that. They swim across the surface of the water, hence why they're called water boatmen. You used to see them all the time. You very rarely see them these days. Here we are on the beach. Cannibals. I'm not giving you bloodsuckers your key to the monkey head until you return my banana picker. HD. Dun, dun. Let's save the game, because I haven't saved it in a while. I've pretty much made it through this game before without ever saving it. But just for the sake of saving, I will. Bananas! Is that a banana in your pocket, or are you just glad to see us? You got a lot of stealing from the notorious Monkey Island TM cannibals. You're cannibals? Well, yes. Although, lately we've been trying to stay away from red meat. Only for health reasons. We're still as vicious as ever. Especially for tourists who try to steal our stuff as souvenirs. Well, what do you have to say for yourself? Look behind you! A three-headed monkey! Do you really think we're that stupid? I wouldn't push it if I were you. Look behind you! A three-headed monkey! There he is. We're not going to fall for that old trick again. I guess I'll eat you now, unless if you had some sort of offering for us, something we could pass on to the great monkey. Well... you can't really, there's nothing I can give them, I don't think. Do I just wait, or do I actually have to, like, I think you've got 3 tries. I could have sworn you have to wait. I love the way the monkey eats a banana with that head, and then swallows it with the other one. Oh, there we go. We might eat you, we might let you go. We'll have to talk about this, the village nutritionist. Come on, let's show you to our guest hut. That should do it.
Hey everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. Because I recorded this as a 3-hour long playthrough, there's no edits in the actual footage, so I've had to put them in now, obviously, for the editing. So, you're going to hear this message at the end of every episode. I apologise, that's going to get a little bit annoying for you. But, as always, I just wanted to say, thanks for watching, like, favourite, subscribe, share, do all of that, it really helps me out a lot. And of course, my usual sign-off, I shall see you all with another episode very soon.